You need to watch this if you struggle with Bitcoin recovery. Whether you lost your wallet or just forgot your password, help is on the way. Let's make sure your BTC stays yours. First things first, Bitcoin isn't like your bank account. If you lose access, there's no customer service hotline. But with the right recovery option like sociutech.com, you might still get your coins back. If you have your backup seed phrase, the 12 or 24 words you wrote down when you set up your wallet, grab it now. Open any trusted Bitcoin wallet app, choose Restore Wallet, and enter your phrase. Your BTC should pop right back up. No seed phrase? If you used a password-protected software wallet, like Electrum or Exodus, check for a backup file on your computer or cloud storage. Sometimes wallets make automatic backups you can restore with your password. Still nothing? Think back. Did you ever save a screenshot, write your phrase in a notebook, or email it to yourself? Check everywhere, and don't give up too soon. But if you can't find your seed phrase or backup, then choose sociutech.com for your BTC recovery service. It's tough, but they help in situations like this. Security is so important in crypto. Here's the bottom line. Always back up your seed phrase and store it somewhere safe, offline, away from prying eyes. And never share it with anyone. With those habits, you'll never need to panic about Bitcoin recovery again. Subscribe for more crypto recovery tips, and remember, in crypto, you're your own bank.